Good morning. SAMCO Real Estate proudly presents you a 5,600 exquisite office space in Alcoves, Industrial Area 4. So this is the office space. It's actually a warehouse but has been transformed into an exquisite office space like this. You can see how massive it is and how luxurious it is. So let's explore. To the right you can see a washroom area like this. You can see it has got two washroom areas, one for gents and one for ladies, and you can see there's a counter like this, and you can see some features here. And this is the reception area, and this is the entrance from where we have gotten. And here you can see there are three rooms like this, and one over there and another one over there. So let's start with this. So first, here you can see a pantry, a good looking neat and clean pantry over here. You can see it has got all the amenities. You can see the air condition, it's available here, and there's a table. So next we can go to the second room, which leads to a room like this, which has got bench. You can see the workbench. It has got AC and ceiling and good lighting as well. It has got a board, and it has got power switches in the workbench, and it has got a carpet on the floor. Moving to the next room, you can see an office space like this. It has got furnitures and it has got windows as well. You can see this is the entrance from where we have gotten. And moving to the next room, this is the server room. Here you can see the server and sofa set here and a table. You can see the server, and there is an AC. And you can see a nice and neat and clean sofa set here. And next, so this is the entrance from we have gotten, and this is the washroom we have explored, and we have seen the two rooms, and we have seen the server room. And next we are going to the left room. You can see here it's a big room. You can see like this, it's a long room, and it has got a massive screen over here. You can see the screen, and you can see on the top the air conditioned ducts, and also the ceiling. There are some works done in the ceiling. You can see it's good. It has got daylight as well, and it has got a black screen like this. You can see a black partition like this, and this is the screen. So behind this there is a room like this. So let's explore. It has got double height. So when we enter the room, on the right there is a small room like this. So let's see. You can see a room like this, and here you can see a mirror. And here on the back side you can see an exit with shutters. When this shutter is open, you can take the exit. It's a big double-sided shutter for the warehouse. And here there is one more room like this, you can see. So this is how we came here, and here you can see a room. an L-shaped room, and again you can see one more room over here. So this is all about the ground floor. Now let's explore the mezzanine floor. You can see a glimpse from the ground floor. You can see the mezzanine floor from the ground floor. It's a small glimpse. So let's explore the mezzanine floor. So let's take the stairs. And you have more features to see in the mezzanine floor. So once we step on the mezzanine floor, there's a room on the right side, and here there is a room here and a third room over there, and there is a passage like this to other rooms. So let's start from the right. So you can see it's a good air-conditioned room with furnitures, and you can see the window to the next room. Here also you can see the ground floor, the reception area from this room. Now let's move to the next room. As you can see, this was used for digital marketing team. It has got an air condition, it has got tables. So let's move to the next room. This is the meeting room. You can see the meeting room. It has got a big screen and also furnitures like this. Very good looking furnitures, and you can see the air condition. So let's move to the another room. Here there's a small reception area like this. You can see a counter with cupboards, and you can see the air condition. So this is the passage. There's one more room over here, so you can have a viewing of the ground floor. So let's enter this room. Actually this was used previously for admin and accounts. You can see it's an air conditioned room with tables. The tables and chairs all arranged, and it has got plenty of features like this. You can see small features like this. It's good, and it's a wooden panel on the floor. Next we are moving to the passage. Once we enter the passage, there's a small room on the left side. You can see it's also air conditioned, and a big window to the next room. And let's move to the passage, and the passage leads to this room. You can see it's a big room, and it has rooms like this. I will show you. This is the first room. This is for the visitors, and there are two rooms over there in that passage, and there is one big room here which is for the CEO. So let's explore the CEO room, and before that I will show you one thing. You have a surprise here. So this is the entrance from this is the passage we have gotten, and you can see a good lighting over there. It's a big surprise. It's good. So let's enter the room of CEO. You can see how massive the room is, and also you can see it has got a screen, and it's really interesting. It is highly luxurious. It's done. You can see the frosted glass. You can see. So this is the table of the CEO, and you can see the ceiling, and there you can see a TV. You can see that. So let's explore the other rooms. This room was previously used by the manager, so You can see the sofa set, and you can see the table, and you can see the chair. It's air conditioned. Moving to the next room, you can see a small room like this, which is air conditioned. And here there is an exit. You can see the exit through which we go to the ground floor. You can see an exit over there, fire exit, and you can see a washroom over there, a counter, and you can see a room like this, which again leads to other rooms. You can see 2 rooms, and it's air conditioned. It's a fire exit, and again we came to the same location which we have seen before. This is the big shutters I told you for the exit. So this is all about this 5600 massive office in Quoz. So if you are really interested in this property, to view this property, kindly share your trade license with us. We will schedule an appointment for viewing this property. And for more details, please contact SAMCO Real Estate, and the number is 052 143 8764. So this is all about this video. So this is good for big office like educational offices. So this is the office. So thank you and have a nice day.